thanks for clicking on this video. Welcome back to my channel. Bro, look how crazy my hair is looking. I'm dead, but don't worry, we're gonna get it together by the end of the video, so just stay tuned. So in typical wash day video fashion, I'm just saturating my hair with water. I'm doing this before I apply the shampoo, so just making sure that I get my hair completely wet before I do anything. And my hair is very dirty right now because I have a bunch of gel in, so I'm just trying to get all of that out before I even go in with the shampoo. Okay, so for the main point of this video, I wanted to try out this Redken Acidic Bonding Concentrate shampoo and conditioner. So right now, I'm putting the shampoo into my hand, giving it a smell or a sniff. It kind of smells like, I want to say, all of the Starburst put together, so it smells really nice. This shampoo, on the bottle it says intense conditioning, fortifying, optimized for colored hair. I don't have colored hair, but I do have damaged hair, as you can see from my little bangs. Actually, that's not the damaged part. I've been cutting the damaged part. But yes, I still want to make sure my hair overall is as healthy as it can be. So I wanted to give this shampoo and conditioner a try. The shampoo is very thick. It kind of reminds me of like gummy texture a bit. So I don't know. I've never used a shampoo like this, but it's pretty cool. So I think I would classify this shampoo as a more clarifying shampoo than a hydrating shampoo. My hair did not feel as soft after I rinsed the shampoo out. It did feel a little bit stripped, but I still felt some moisture, so I appreciated that, but it definitely wasn't completely hydrating. If I had to rate the shampoo on a scale of 1 to 10, I would probably give it an 8.5. I actually liked it, but yeah, I think I would have to use it again to give it its true rating, but I did like it. Okay, so we're finished with the first shampoo. Just rinsing it out now. As you can see, my hair already looks 10 times better than how my hair looked in that first clip. So yes, we're off to a good start. Okay, so I had to go in again and shampoo just to make sure my hair was really clean because, as I said, I had a lot of gel, so I just wanted to make sure that I'm getting all of that out. Right now I'm just showing you, I guess, some texture shots, but this is pretty much the same as what I showed you from the beginning, so I'm not gonna bore you. Let's just cut to the conditioning. Okay, so yes, I have the matching conditioner, the Redken Acidic Bonding Concentrate Conditioner, après shampooing. So the bottle says intense conditioning, fortifying, optimized for colored hair. Literally the same thing as the shampoo. It smells exactly like the shampoo. The texture is very thick, just like the shampoo as well, but obviously it's a conditioner, so it's a bit more creamy. Texture is nice. I liked how it felt on my hair. also felt like it was very moisturizing. Like I had said, the shampoo, I didn't really feel like gave my hair a ton of moisture, more like clarifying. So it was really nice to put this in after. And then another thing is I felt like it really gave it so much slip. I wasn't expecting that at all. When it came to time to detangle, it was super easy. I wanted to give a little insight on why I chose to review these products at all. So I remember when they first launched this acidic bonding concentrate line, I remember seeing an ad for it, and the ad featured a woman with curly hair. So she showed her before and after pictures and how her hair looked after using the products. In the after shot, her hair did look better, like the curls looked juicier. So I figured why not give it a try on my own hair. So I know typically the Redken brand is not marketed to African American, kinky, curly, coily textures, but the fact that they included someone with curly hair, albeit loose curls, I still appreciated that, so I wanted to give the line a try. Look at my bangs, guys. So as you can see here, I'm kind of noticing the additional heat damage that needs to be cut off. And one thing about me, I really don't have a problem cutting it. I just cannot wait until my bangs grow out and then my hair is all back to one length. Okay, so I was finished detangling the first side. I did the second half off camera, but right now I'm just going through it, making sure that it's completely detangled. Ugh, watch the damage here. But yeah, don't worry, this will be gone by the next video. I really cannot stand to see my hair looking stringy like that. It's so, I don't know, annoying. It kind of breaks my heart. But 2023, I'm on a journey to healthy hair and growing out my bangs. So, yes, stay tuned. Okay, so I loved how this conditioner made my hair feel after the 10 minutes. It was so soft and like my hair felt super light. Like it felt like I didn't even have any hair on my head, which sounds very strange, but yeah, it was just very light. And even here, did you see me just finger detangle my hair with ease? Like my fingers literally glided. Is glid a word? My fingers glid through my hair with ease. I don't know if that's right, but you know what I'm trying to say. So I added a little water to my hair and I'm just kind of detangling it again. If you know me, you know I hate detangling my hair. So it really says something that I'm doing this again. This conditioner, I really would give it a 9.5 out of 10. It's really nice. Okay, so now I'm just rinsing out the conditioner. Nothing special. Just rinsing it out. Okay, so we've made it to the end. I'm just finished rinsing out my hair. My hair feels super soft. My hands are gliding through it. I love it. So I would highly recommend trying out this combination, seeing how it feels on your own hair. Again, compared to the beginning, this is like a complete 180. So yes, give it a try. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you in the next video.